How to generate barcodes in Excel. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to generate barcodes in Excel easily. First, we need to download barcode font which we will use. Open the browser which you use. Search for ID Automation Free Barcode Font. Click on the first link, Free Code 39 Barcode Font. Scroll down a little bit and find button Download Now. Click on it. Save the file. Now open Download Location. Extract this archive. Open that folder. Now open this folder. Here we have two files. Open this one with extension True Type Font file. As we can see, there are examples of this barcode font. Click on Install. That's it. Close the window. Let's test this. Create a new Excel file and name it as you want. In the first cell A1, I will write some random number. In the cell B1, write this code. Equals. Quotation mark. Open bracket. Quotation mark. Ampersand. A1. Now again ampersand. Quotation mark. Closed bracket. And again quotation mark. Click Enter. Now just change the font. It was Calibri by default. Find ID Automation HC39 font. Choose it. And that's it. We created barcode. If you like the video, please subscribe and support me with like and share. If you need help with Excel, just write in the comment section. Thank you.